Hello YouTube Trust and Safety Team. I am writing to you because I genuinely respect the community guidelines and I have always strictly followed them. I put significant time and effort into making every video to ensure it is authentic and compliant. I believe my channel was suspended in error due to link to a terminated account that I do not own or control. I am writing to confirm that I am not using any other suspended channel. I suspect this association occurred because I share Wi-Fi connection IP address with the suspended user in my household. I am appealing to explain exactly why my device was linked to the suspended account. I acknowledge the suspended account may have been logged into device Oppo Reno 8 in the past. This was done strictly for viewing purposes. Because the other user's device is Huawei model which does not support Google mobile services. I allowed the suspended user to log in temporarily solely to check their channel, analytics, status, because their own phone could not run the application. I did not upload content, manage or control the suspended channel. I am separate individual with my own channel. Our channels are completely different. My channel Team BBG is strictly focused on my personal blog and family moments, where areas the suspended channel focus on complete different topic. I do not share an AdSense account or banking details with the suspended user. I am fully willing to provide my government ID to prove that I am distinct person from the owner of suspended account. I have worked hard to build my channel, Team BBG, independently. Please understand that the shared device was technically wrong around, work around for the Huawei restriction, that evidence of shared ownership. Thank you for your time and understanding.